What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video over at D.S.R, and today I'm going to try and teach you how I wheelie. I don't pretend to be the best at doing wheelies. I can get it up, so I'm going to show you how I get it up just to spread the love. Weather pretty shocking, starting to do the wet stuff, so I'm going to try and get this video done nice and quick. If you're liking this content, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit this like button on this video. It will help us out over at D.S.R. Okay, so one of the first ways of trying to wheelie, is just doing off the torque of the bike itself. So for any time you're going to try and get the front up, make sure you're trailing that front brake, get your foot over it, so if anything does happen and you start going back too far, you can dab it and bring the front wheel back down. So that's the first thing. Always make sure your right foot is over the brake pedal. So like I said, this is just going to be a power wheelie, so it's going to be nothing to do with the clutch or brake, just purely off the throttle. I'm just going to give it a bit of a blip till that front comes up. Do it a couple of times, get comfortable with how that front comes up. Different bikes, different cc's, different torques of the bikes, each bike reacts differently, so you've got to see how your bike reacts to your twist in the wrist. So I'm going to do this in first gear, just nice and steady. And as you can see, that's just first gear, just twisting that throttle just a little bit. Remember, right foot still over the brake pedal. So there, I'm going about 15 miles an hour, nothing fast. I'm not trying to keep it up, I'm just getting used to it coming up, just finding how it feels. Like I said, get used to how that feels, get used to it coming up. And as you can see, I am off the public road on private land here. So if I come off, only myself and the bike's going to get hurt. As you can see, I'm getting more comfortable with the bike coming up, getting used to it, finding out where the balance point is, just giving it a little bit of throttle, a little bit of gas, just to keep that front coming up. Practice makes perfect with this type of skill. So with the 690 first gear, yeah, can do it. I seem to struggle in second gear, whether it's just me, I don't know. Just can't seem to get it up off the power in second gear. But with my MT10, because of that thing is a torque monster, first, second, third and fourth gear, I can power wheelie. So that's one of the first ways, off the power. It's not the most reliable, and it's quite violent. It comes up really quick if you're not careful, not ready for it. Another thing I must say, with the KTM 690 2021, with the map modes, make it sure it's in 2, because if it's in 1, the front will come up a couple of inches and then the bike will realise it, cut the power slightly so it comes back down. So 1 won't really let you wheelie, so you want to have it in 2. What we're going to move on to now, this is how I learnt using my dirt bike, the Yamaha WR250. If you want to see a video on that, link in the description above. Is I would do clutch, brake, throttle, clutch, brake, throttle. So what you utilise in there, so the clutch, you're depressing the power, and then when you're popping the clutch out, getting a bit of gas, that's what's giving you that instant power to start bringing it up. The brake, what that's doing, when you're going along and you dab the front brake, you'll notice it goes down with the suspension. So it goes down, and what you're doing is you're utilising the compression, the rebound of the compression. So compresses down and then comes back up and rebounds towards you. So what you're utilising is that momentum of the rebound of the bike coming back up. And the right foot on the pedal, and then having your bum a little bit towards the back of the seat, just to move the centre of gravity towards the rear of the bike, just to help it come up. So on this one, you'll be able to see my finger will do clutch, brake, throttle. So when I'm releasing the clutch and the brake, that's when I'm doing the throttle. So it's like a bish bish bosh, bish bish bosh. So on, off. As you're offing, that's when the throttle comes in. Left, right throttle, left, right throttle, just like that. As quick as that. You notice how the front dabs down? That's what we're after. And at any point, if you feel yourself going back too far, dab that rear brake and then the front will come down. Dab. Dab. It comes down. It does come down quite harsh. If you can, give a little bit of throttle before you hit the ground and that will just start lofting the front up back, give you a nice smooth landing. Clutch, brake, throttle. So far we've covered off the power, we've covered clutch and brake and then throttle, and in this way I'm going to tell you is the third way I do it, which is just off the clutch. If you've seen the KTM 1290 Super Duke car video, I did explain it a little bit in that, but for those that haven't seen it, there's a card above you, go and watch that video after this. So the third way of doing a wheelie is as you're accelerating through, go for second gear, accelerate through, get to 25-30 miles an hour and just dab the clutch, literally just in out. That's it, as quick as that. You're not fully depressing it, you're not pulling it all the way in and popping it, you're literally just having that clutch release and bite, and that's all it is. Dab, dab, like that. Just off the trigger finger on the left hand, nice and quick. That's what we'll do. So like I said, second gear, so I need a bit more speed the more I can get there. Accelerate. As you saw there, it comes up, because it's second gear, it doesn't come up too violently, but it still comes up nice and quick. Second gear, I'm accelerating. Dab the clutch. Keep accelerating through, that's the important thing. Accelerate, have a bit of momentum, dab the clutch, keep accelerating through. Second gear, accelerate, dab. And once the front's up, as you can see, start feathering the throttle just to keep that front up. And again. Like I said, I don't pretend to be the best one. I'd love to go to a wheelie school and actually get taught properly. This is just me, what I've taught myself, what I've seen off YouTube and what I've then practiced and what I found works. And just go from there. Practice makes perfect with these type of things. Any type of skill, you got to get out and practice it. So I find somewhere safe, ideally off the public road, and then go and practice. Please, if you're watching this video and you can wheelie better than me, or you can see any mistakes that I'm doing, make sure you write down in the comments below the improvements I can make, and I'll try my best, and I'll just keep practicing. That's all we can do in life. Get practice, get better.
Run it back, pull up. I said pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah. We get to it, got it stocked up. Popped up, got her hand all rocked up. Like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got her hops up. Don't care for designer.
So there we go, guys. That's my attempt at trying to teach you and show you different ways of wheeling. So get out there, practice. Remember, stay safe and do it somewhere off the public road. If you did like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Every sub and every like helps us out over at D.S.R and it spurs us on to make better content for you guys. Stay tuned. As you can tell, this bike is a little bit dirty, so I may do a video on how I clean my motorcycle and I'll get it looking back in showroom condition. Until that time, catch you on the next one.